somebody who has the mindset of providing not only value, but also a product they're proud of is going to get you the best results.
So this is the space. It used to be a dental office. So you can see there was multiple sinks and stations here. So we actually had to go cut all the flooring out, get rid of all the plumbing that was in the floor, pour a brand new slab. And if we move along to this drawing right here, this will give exactly an idea of what we're doing here. So there's 3 main gaming rooms. These are basically 11 by 11, 10 by 11 for each of these rooms. 6 people per table here. And then this one here is 10 by 14 with 8 tables. So the customers that come in can actually rent these rooms out to play games such as Warhammer or D&D, like long-term games, so they're not having it at their house, they rent these spaces. Each of these tables here are smaller tables where people can come in, purchase some coffee and some popcorn and sit down and play a game of Magic the Gathering or a card game or even Snakes and Ladders for all that matters. This is going to be our retail space. So this is a retail counter right here. It's going to have a glass front. So as you walk in, you'll see all the merchandise for sale at the bottom. There'll be the point of sale up top here. This whole wall here and this wall here is going to be shelves with all the gaming boxes on the shelves as a display. This dotted line right here, this represents the travel distance. If you're a commercial builder, you have to look at the travel distances. So your travel distances have to add up. This one here is 68 feet. So if you're over a certain distance, then you have to have a secondary exit. Because let's say a fire starts here, you need time to travel out to that exit. And then each of those little rooms are going to have exit signs and emergency lighting just in case there's a fire. People walk down here, they go, well, who's building this? Well, Ogden Contracting. So let's go online and see who Ogden Contracting is. And you can go online and you can probably get updated as to what's happening on this project. How did you find Ogden Contracting?
I looked through your Instagram. I kind of watched a few videos and saw who you were and the way you ran your business and what was important to you and the way you kind of shared some personal things as well. And I'm like, cool, that's somebody I align with and would really like to work with. And then you guys came out to site, we did some walkthroughs and chatted about everything. And then it just kind of worked out that you guys were the best fit for the job.
Awesome. And so explain what we're building here for you.
We are building Quest Central Gaming Lounge. So what I found was that there was a huge opportunity in the community for a place to come and play, and that isn't necessarily focused on just retail sales or just being a cafe, but our goal is to have an experience while you're here, that you're coming in and you're invited into this environment that's accepting and warm and fun, and it's going to look really cool. So you want to bring your friends by, like, you should check out this new place. Working with Ogden has been really great. There have been hard things, and those hard things would have come up with any company. That is not a reflection on Ogden. That's a reflection of learning the process of building out a commercial storefront.
Awesome, thanks.